Costa Rica.
Today, I'm gonna be spending over 48 hours in the Costa Rican jungle. We're currently standing on a ficus tree, hundreds of feet above the ground. We have so many activities planned. We have zip lining, bungee jumping. It's gonna be a hell of a trip. We're getting in a helicopter too, renting a motorcycle to rip through the forest. Look at this view though. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, so the real reason I'm here is to shoot a little bit of a commercial for Ventura Watches. They've paid for the whole trip and I intend to fully experience every single inch of this Costa Rican jungle because frankly, you only get to experience this once in a lifetime. The first thing on my jungle bucket list is experiencing the magical waterfalls of this insanely beautiful country. Look at this is insane. Often found at the bottom of steep, treacherous valleys. The view, however, undoubtedly rewarding, drop-dead gorgeous views guaranteed to absolutely leave you shell-shocked. A couple of goals that I have for this trip: don't get bitten by a venomous spider, don't get taken down by a puma, definitely don't break an ankle slipping on all this slippery rock here. So we're off to a good start, it's just that I gotta be more careful. Buddy, you guys ready? You guys ready?
Buddy, let's go.
I should probably introduce the team. This is Drew, our resident daredevil and drone operator. Let's just say he's a little bit better at being a daredevil than operating drones. And then we have Chase, the director of photography, camera operator, and the official Fabio of the trip because his hair is so beautiful. And last but not the least, Sam, the mastermind behind this whole operation.
I can't hear you.
Can't hear you.
What?
Spot number 1, complete. Now we gotta go all the way back up there. Oh my gosh, dude. These are unrelentless and unforgiving. What I wanna know is how many dangerous animals are we likely to encounter? That's what I wanna know.
Dude,
like,
you're next to one dangerous animal right now.
oh shit! That was good. Top 10 deadliest animals in Costa Rica. Fer-de-lance snake, eyelash viper snake, coral snake, American crocodile, puma, jaguar, bull shark, Brazilian wandering spot. I think better watch the fuck out.
Alright, we're on our way to Rio Agrio.
Oh my god, look at this, dude.
Hopefully I'm saying that.
Look at this. Costa Rica continues to baffle me time and time again. Take this spot for example. Because of the volcanic nature of the waterfall, it literally tastes like lemonade straight out of the fridge. It tastes like lime?
Like lemonade, yeah.
Like lemonade!
Sugar. With no sugar.
With no sugar.
Yeah.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I swear to God. Come here, come here. I told you. It's like lemonade. It's literally like lemonade. Alright, so if you're wondering how we shower here in Costa Rica, this is one of the showers that we use. So I'm gonna hop under that right now and get a little clean up. Alright, dude, you gotta do it too. You gotta do it. Go!
Why am I friends with you?
Now, we've seen 2 insane waterfalls already, but to keep pushing this envelope just a little bit more, we've got the help of this local adventure expert, Julio, to sneak us into this little patch of government land that happens to have 5 waterfalls. The only thing is, we cannot get caught. Because if we do, I imagine spending the night in the Costa Rican jail might not be a good end to this video. And so, the journey began. We scrambled over rocks, trekking through the jungle, crossing raging rivers, all the while looking out for security guards just to get to this waterfall. And boy, was it all worth it. Yeah! So the rain's coming down now. Really tough. In the Costa Rican jungle, the weather can switch on a dime. Because we're so deep in the waterfall valley, we risk being flooded out by a rapid rise in water level. So we need to get the hell out of here, fast.
20 minutes later.
Right into it, no time wasted. We're gonna go see a whole bunch of tropical animals. I'm so excited. You don't even know. The small country of Costa Rica is home to more than 500,000 animal species, nearly 5% of the total species estimated in the world, making Costa Rica one of the most biodiverse countries on the entire planet. It's so stunning. Okay, so now that we've seen the nitty-gritty of the lowland, what do you say we hop in a helicopter and get the hell out of here?
Buzz, 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 buzz.
Let's do this. Regardless of how old I get, I don't think I can ever get tired of getting into a helicopter. It just makes me feel so excited like a little kid. All right, so before I show you this helicopter segment, I want to talk about today's sponsor. That's right, this video is sponsored. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. It's Ventura Watches, and I'm hosting an editing competition with them along with my friend Sam Newton. And the grand prize is, get this, $5,000. You can win $5,000. We've created a Dropbox link with all the beautiful footage from this trip for you to create your own edit with. Just go down in the description below and watch Sam's video. It has all the details for the editing competition. Thanks again to Ventura Watches for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into that helicopter segment. He's coming back! He's coming back! Oh my God, one of the most insane experiences. Yo, Federico, you smashed it, bro. You smashed it, man. You smashed it. Thank you so much.
Oh, my pleasure.
All right, the most beautiful part of the day now is we're gonna have to spend the night in the middle of the jungle. We don't know where we're sleeping. We have a rooftop tent on the 4x4 vehicle that we're using right now. Let's see if we can find a spot. It's so beautiful.
What the hell? Hey, buddy.
I'm trying to find camp spots.
Where are we?
I don't know, bro. We're in the middle of the jungle. I'm completely floored by the magic of travel time and time again. But what makes it so special is doing it with friends, goofing around and chatting all night, especially when you know damn well that you have an early sunrise to handle the next day.
Fucking. Look at me. I'm delusional.
Good morning. The team is all high energy and ready to go. Okay, so we've rented a 4x4, we've done helicopters, we've done motorcycles, we've done insane hikes. How else can we get to experience the magic of this Costa Rican jungle? By zipping through the trees. That's how. All right, boys. How sick is this?
It just goes into nothing.
There's nothing there.
Fuck!
Oh, I knew I should have done that.
We were just about to send the drone through this.
Oh, we sent the drone.
Oh,
We sent it.
our guide is going down right now to hopefully find it. Carl told Drew that he would cover the cost if he crashed the drone. Right as he was going down, Carl goes, "Oh fuck!" Because $1,000 just flashed before his eyes.
We probably got like a cool 2-second shot though.
Yeah.
If we can find the drone. If we
We'll
can find
see.
it.
We're gonna find it. We're gonna find it.
Did you find it?
Oh!
Got it. Carl, we found it! Carl.
So the last thing on our Costa Rican bucket list is an insane bungee jump. Actually, the tallest bungee jump in all of Central America. And to get ready for it, we're gonna do this tiny little drop just to see what it feels like. And after we're done, we're gonna head to the big behemoth and do that. Hey, don't run away with the backpack. What are you talking, bro? You better get your man, yo. Guys, how insane was that? That was quite the experience.
It's a bungee jump, but you're only like 100 feet off the ground. Like,
Yes.
It's so close.
You know what? We're gonna do that times 50.
Wait, we are? That wasn't it?
Yeah, I know. All I want to do is just try not to piss my pants. If I can successfully do that,
35 stories high or some shit like that.
Boys,
Really?
watch
Yeah,
and learn.
I think it's 150 meters.
Watch and learn.
Yeah,
It's gonna
yeah.
be easy.
Watch. Cut to his face going, ah! Oh, dude, my heart is freaking beating, bro. This is Extremo, the highest bungee jump in all of Central America. You get into this tiny little cable car and wheel out over the valley floor and bungee jump off of the cable car into the abyss. The only thing is, I don't know. I'm kind of scared. Holy shit! Gotta see, I can't go backward. I can't go back. I can't. Subscribe. Subscribe. Holy shit! Yes, buddy! Bro, I thought I couldn't do it. It's your countdown. That made me do it. Holy shit. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.